Hey you! Yes you! Do you build model kits as a hobby? Do you want to introduce and share your hobby with your partner, friends or family without spending too much or overwhelming them? Yeah? Well, I have just the perfect model kit for you to share with someone. Check this out. Ooh. Hi guys, Jeff of Kelga Creations here. Today we're going to be building this 135 scale Mechatro WeGo kit from Hasegawa. And by we, I mean me and my girlfriend. Ta-da!
Hey.
This will be our second time building a model kit. The first was this Harapla from Bandai. But we've been planning to build this model kit together for a few months now. Now these kits are perfect for sharing because in each box contains 2 models of the same design in 2 different color schemes. They are also easy to assemble with no glue required except for the figurines of the children. So all you need is modeling side cutters or nippers. So go grab yourself a snack and enjoy the music build video. So, what did you think? Did you like it?
Yeah, it was fun. The trickiest part was trying to get the little pieces to properly snap in the right places, but yeah.
Oh, I think you did a great job, you know? Yeah, and you did it all on your own, yeah. Yeah. Okay, right, thank you for the review. I'll take it over from here.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you for your time. If you're sharing the build experience with someone, because of the parts of the 2 models are essentially the same, with 2 different color schemes, you can actually swap the parts and actually make your own color schemes out of it. For me, from building mostly Gunpla, This has been a really refreshing experience. The fictional backstory of these Mechatro WeGos is also very creative. They are designed by the fictional company Chubu Mechatronics, built for kids to commute between schools in rural areas for tough terrains. Hey, how cool is that? I wish I had something like that when I was a kid. In terms of the model kits, there's a wide range of variations in terms of designs and color schemes for these 135 scale kits. So try them out if you're interested. I picked up a few from Hobbylink Japan. They are awesome for all things hobby related from Japan. Check them out if your local hobby stores don't have what you're looking for. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it entertaining or valuable, give it a like. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in these cute models, or share the video with someone that you know that would like them. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing some unique processes and techniques on preparing my WeGo for painting. Subscribe and ring that notification bell to keep up with the updates. Alternatively, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you want to see work in progress and behind the scenes posts. So until next time, happy building and keep creating. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
I'm sorry.
That's fine, yeah. It's a bit more natural to see, like, you know, because then people know that we're screwing up, but then that's natural, you know? Yeah, okay. Just know lots of these probably gonna end up in bloopers.
Yeah.
Well, like